Property investment can feel overwhelming. So many decisions, so much at stake. But what if you had a team that combined deep finance and property expertise with a clear understanding of you? At Home Equities, we guide you through every critical stage of your property journey with services that are clear, strategic, and built around your goals. We believe in strategy before search because your goals come first. Our personalized investment strategy service gives you a clear roadmap to build long-term wealth through property. We dive deep to understand your risk comfort, financial goals, and lifestyle. Then we model cash flow, growth scenarios, and suggest suburbs and property types that align with your plan. What you get is clarity on what to buy, when, and why, so you can move forward with confidence, not guesswork. When it's time to buy, we don't just find property, we find the right property for you. We source, assess, and negotiate investment-grade properties that match your strategy, not just what's available online. We get off-market access, full due diligence, and expert negotiation, so you can purchase with peace of mind. And what about finance? The right loan isn't the cheapest. It's the one that fits your future. We structure lending that grows with your portfolio, with access to 30+ lenders and custom strategies for flexibility, equity, and growth. From pre-approvals to settlement, we handle the details and stay with you to keep your lending competitive over time. Your journey step by step. Whether you're starting out, buying your next investment, or checking if your plan still fits, we've got you. Plan, build your roadmap. Purchase, secure the right property. Pay, finance it smart. Review, stay on track. Nationwide reach, personal support. Based in Sydney, we work with investors across Australia. That means you get access to the best opportunities wherever they are. Our Gold membership gives you a full guided experience across strategy, property, and finance, all in one place. You stay in control, but never alone, because we believe the best investment decisions are made with clarity, confidence, and expert support. Home Equities, your property journey guided.